Hey guys, just wanted to say sorry for my double chin in the
Hey
entire
guys.
video. Hope you enjoy.
Welcome back to my show. I have my nephew Anthony here. We're gonna be eating McDonald's. Anthony, tell them what you have, Anthony.
I have 10-piece chicken nuggets and fries.
Look at his chicken nuggets.
With some sweet and sour.
On your face. I got a Mighty Kids meal. I have 6-piece chicken nuggets and some French fries. Put it here. I wasn't too hungry. We're eating and a Go-Gurt. And then my dipping sauce.
That's my.
I got sweet and sour and spicy buffalo and orange. So let's get started. Ready, Ray?
Yeah.
How was your day at school today?
Good.
What'd you do?
Nothing. Get bored like always.
Tell our people about you. He's my nephew, guys. Let's try a sweet and sour sauce first. Look how good that looks.
I'll tell you one thing about me. I like the Redskins. She likes the Redskins.
Yeah, we're Redskins family. I haven't had chicken nuggets from McDonald's in a long time. I must say, delicious. We're over here. Where are the cameras? Oh, I forgot to get ketchup. Right now, we're in the parking lot of
The Warriors.
Isla de Middle
AKA the Warriors.
of my niece's school because she's in cheerleading and right now there's a basketball game, so we're in the parking lot because we're eating. I just picked him up from school and my cousin Jacob, shout out to Jacob, he's gonna play at I believe 6 o'clock because he's in basketball for the 8th graders, but right now the 7th graders are playing. Now I'm gonna do the spicy buffalo. Honestly, I like it better with the spicy buffalo. You wanna taste it?
Yeah.
It's not too spicy. The way I eat my chicken nuggets, I eat the breaded part first. How weird.
No.
There you go.
It's spicy, but not that much. It's like the original company.
3, 2, 1.
Guys, my food fell. Oh shit.
I like chicken nuggets, but first when I eat them, sometimes I always I put the chicken nugget, a fry, 3 or 2 fries in the middle, and I put another chicken nugget on top like it's a burger. That's what it's like.
I'm back, guys. I'm back. My food is still here.
She said it. Oh, she said it.
What do you guys like to get from McDonald's? What do you like to get, Ray? You always get the chicken nuggets? So, guys, coming up in my channel, I'm gonna do the spicy noodle challenge. The Samyang spicy noodle challenge. I've tasted it before with my husband. It was spicy. But then again, I really don't like spicy food that much. Like, I like spice, but not too spicy. But when I made it that last time, it was spicy. My husband does not like spicy at all. So I had to.
Spicy.
You like spicy?
Oh,
So I had to kind of like
drink milk.
bring down the spice a little bit for him.
Bye.
I put butter and cheese, and it was good, guys. It was good. Also, I'm gonna do a jajangmyeon noodle, which is black bean noodle.
Right here, it's a chicken with sweet and sour, two french fries, and a chicken nugget. This is how I eat it sometimes.
His invention, guys. I know you guys can't see the food. I'm sorry. I'm in the car, but I'll hold it like this for you guys. Chicken nuggets and fries. Couple. Something short and sweet. Hurry.
Mm-hmm.
So, reason why I started this channel, because I love watching mukbangs. A lot of people say it wrong. A lot of people say mukbang, but it's mukbang. It's a Korean word. Fanta orange. French fries. I like them today. They're crispy. Do you like your fries crispy, Ray?
Mm-hmm.
Really crispy or no?
Not that like a little bit of like the chicken nugget crispy.
I mean, so you guys could see. I'm eating. Well, today was a beautiful day, guys. It was really pretty outside today. It's starting to get hot outside, huh?
Mm-hmm.
And tell them how your day at school was. And tell them what grade you're in and everything.
I'm supposed to be in 5th, but I'm in 4th. I like basketball. I like a little bit of football. I like Fortnite a lot. I play Madden. My favorite color is purple. My favorite food is, it's not a food, but
What?
it's Takis.
Your favorite junk food?
Yeah.
We should do the Taki challenge.
What do you mean?
The hot Cheetos and Taki challenge?
Oh, when you mix them?
Yeah. I don't really like Takis. I like more hot Cheetos. Look how good that looks. You could do it too? Me and Anthony, guys. Well, his name's Anthony. His name's Anthony Ray. I call him Ray Ray.
My grandpa calls me Billy Ray, Sugar Ray.
Mm-hmm.
A lot of names I don't remember.
Here's the sweet and sour sauce. Oh.
The last chicken nugget of faith.
That was my last chicken nugget, guys. I just need my Go-Gurt. The strawberry Go-Gurt.
I just need my fries.
Okay. Honestly, I like Go-Gurts. They're really good. Okay. It's my dessert. Almost done?
Yeah.
After I finish my Go-Gurt, guys, we're gonna end this video because we gotta go inside already. But go ahead and comment below on what you guys want us to talk about. You're gonna see more of my nephew in our videos to come. So I need to say bye.
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 Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.